All right, welcome to my Slide Cash Loophole review. As you can see, I have full access to the product. Unlike a lot of reviewers, they're not going to be able to show you what the course actually is. And I've already taken the course, checked it out, and I can tell you that this is a strategy that if you actually do put into work, you are going to have to work at this, right? So some of these concepts that you are picking up these products, they're low cost items, and they do teach you something. And if you actually apply yourself to what they're teaching you, you actually could get results, right? So it's not really a new concept, but what they do show you is that creating slides and in a certain way, if you do your research right, you can actually rank for certain keywords if you're strategic about it, and you could potentially get thousands of views. Some people are getting millions of views on their slide presentations that they're creating, and that's the strategy. So they take you through and go through. So this is the course. They're going to take you through what the big reveal is, how this strategy works, and they're going to take you through different websites where you can go basically start creating slides and how to actually rank them so that you can actually have the potential of getting tens of thousands of views. And of course, inside of those presentations that you're creating, you would have affiliate links and links to your products, et cetera, to drive traffic. So this is a traffic strategy that's been around for a very long time, and they're proving that it still works. So I've taken the course. Part of it, if you're an advanced affiliate marketer like me, you top leaderboards, you know how to get traffic, you've built audiences and so forth. This is maybe not something that I'm really looking for in my business. But if you are new and you're not making daily sales in your affiliate business, then I do think that this is the product for you. If you put this into action, they also teach you what platforms you can go out to use in order to create presentations very quickly using AI and so forth. But so it's a good course. It's definitely worth the value, and they're putting it together. Basically, it's a business in a box. If you go out there and do all this, traffic is the number one thing that people are missing in their affiliate businesses, right? We have a concept of what affiliate marketing is. I need to get people to click on my link and then go and buy something. But the biggest struggle and hurdle that most affiliate marketers have is traffic. If you don't have traffic, you can't make sales. And that's just straight up the facts. Everyone's trying to get more traffic, right? I'm always trying to get more traffic as well. So you can go, they're going to have a one-time live event and all that. And then here are the OTOs. So it looks like there's 11 OTOs. I'm not going to go over through there. You can pause this video and you can just look at what those are. I've got front-end access to this software or to this training right now. But you can have done for you YouTube AI, OTO 1 is advanced, then you have OTO 3 done for you social media AI, and then OTO 4 done for you post-ready content for 4 years in different niches, and it just keeps going, right? If you want to get reseller access to this product, you can. Commission booster pack. They have a lot of OTOs. I think it's a little bit too much in my opinion. These guys are going hardcore into the affiliates and vendor and so forth, but I would probably cool it down to 5 or 6 OTOs, maybe not get into the double digits, 10, 11 OTOs. That's just too much. I would never have that many OTOs in my products, but nonetheless, the front end offer is definitely solid, good training. So I recommend it. If you need more traffic in your business, go and pick that up. Okay. What I wanted to show you was my bonuses. I actually took the course, and then there was something that was missing. And I'm like, hey, what can we do to piggyback off of what they just taught us and actually go out there and get even more traffic, double the traffic. And so a very unique strategy that I just put together before making this review video for you. I made this specifically for Slide Cash Loophole. This is about a 10-minute training showing you exactly how I would double down. And once I make my slide presentations, and I'm going to go and publish them on different slide sharing websites, and I'm going to go get that traffic and everything, right? You're putting all that effort and work into doing that. Why not take that slide deck that you're creating and do something else with it to get even more traffic to your offers? And that's exactly why I put this exclusive bonus training together. And this is a fresh new bonus that's never been offered before. This is worth the price of admission. You guys know my bonuses are the best that there are. Somebody that's made over $400,000 in affiliate commissions over the last few years. I know what I'm talking about when it comes to traffic and doing affiliate marketing, and that's all with free traffic that I made that much money. And so I'm telling you what I would do with this slide deck in order to go out and double down and get even more traffic. using creative methods. Okay. So you want to get this bonus right here. If you're going out bonus shopping, my bonuses are the best. They're not borrowed PLR from other sites. They're not rehashed, and they're not trainings or webinars from years ago. They're based on me and my affiliate knowledge. And that's what you're getting in this bonus right here. Okay. So bonus affiliate traffic training right there. You get that. And then bonus number 2, fast tube traffic. I just made this training on August 29th. So literally it's only a couple weeks old. I did make this for a money printer, but this will go great because it has to do with getting traffic with YouTube as well. And so fast tube traffic, this goes along. You guys want more traffic to your affiliate offers and affiliate marketing, right? So you can't go wrong with this. I think this is like a 15 to 25 minute training, something like that right here. So exclusive bonuses right here, all having to do with getting more traffic and from somebody that actually goes out there and gets free traffic and makes sales. And you'll see that I top leaderboards all the time with these affiliate product launches on Warrior Plus and JVZoo and so forth. So when I'm showing you this stuff and teaching you this as just a kind bonus to give to you as a way of saying thank you for picking up the front end product with my affiliate link, I'm going to give you the goods. I'm going to give you the best bonuses that you can get, right? I don't need to put 10 bonuses in right over here. These bonuses right here are already really good bonuses. They're amazing bonuses on how to get more traffic to your affiliate link. So if you want these 2 exclusive bonuses right over here, all you have to do is pick up Slide Cash Loophole. The link will be below. You'll click on it and it'll be this page right here. And all you have to do is just click one of these green buttons, make the purchase, and you're going to have instant access inside your Warrior Plus account in order to go and get these 2 video trainings right over here. And that's another cool thing about my bonuses is that they're live over the shoulder trainings that I create, and they're video format, right? And that's my favorite way to learn. You're learning in an audio way, a visual way. I hate reading, and I hate reading PDFs, long old PDFs and stuff like that. You're not going to get that with my bonuses. You're going to get video training, me showing you step by step exactly what to do. Okay. So at the end of the day, this is Slide Cash Loophole. Here's the sales page. They're talking about that they're getting traffic using these strategies right over here. You guys have probably purchased Max and James's products before. They're going to be training modules. You can get this for $17 on the front end right over here. And you can go and read the sales page. I'm not going to bore you with going over the sales page. It's going to be an overhyped sales page. I'm not here to bullcrap you about anything. These are extremely overhyped sales pages. You guys know the drill. But if you want the training and you want the concept, this is probably a product that I would recommend. And even just to get the bonuses that I'm offering you, it's worth more than even what they're sharing with you. Okay. So thank you for joining me. Hopefully you got value from this particular Slide Cash Loophole review. Go out and get my bonuses, my exclusive video training bonuses on how to get more traffic, because that is the biggest hurdle that everyone's facing. And that's the biggest thing in most people's online businesses that they don't have enough of is traffic. All right. So this is the Slide Cash Loophole is a traffic program, a traffic training. My bonuses are traffic training as well. So go and get this package and you're going to be able to go out there and get a lot of affiliate traffic. So thank you for joining me. Link will be below. See you in the next video.